Uy, hawak natin is the all-new na Vivo V50. This is another really good phone with a great camera and price at 27,000 pesos. And good news guys, right now, on sale siya. No? And it's right now just playing at around mga 24,000 something pesos. So with a really good camera na may Zeiss optics, check natin yung kanyang unboxing experience. So ganito itsura ng kanyang box. Very simple lang siya, and I have here is yung kanyang color red na variant. It looks really nice. I love yung kanyang pagka-red dito. More wine color or may pagka-maroon. No, it's not totally red like you're thinking. No, and honestly, sobrang natuwa ako dito sa kanyang color. And it also comes with the Aura ring light, which is very helpful, lalo kung madilim. And here is yung Zeiss optic lens natin. Now, this is the logo na dito sa likod, and of course, matte finish siya. Medyo fingerprint smudgy lang ang kanyang gilid kasi medyo shiny. And we have the power button plus volume rocker dito sa gilid. On top, this is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like dito sa ilalim. Ito naman sa kabilang side, quite clear. And we have a quad curve display. Now, honestly, mas smooth ang kanang UI. It's running FunTouch OS 15 and running inside Android version 15. Now, if you're checking yung mga benchmark like Antutu benchmark, okay naman ka ng score dito na makuha mo, and it got me a 800,000 points. No? And this is, kung gusto nyo makita yung mga architecture niya, no? This is 7S Gen 3 so far. Okay siya. Honestly, I have no complaints dito sa phone na ito dahil okay naman siya. And I was able to capture many photos. No? Lalo na front-facing camera is really looking good. And ang kanyang rear camera was able to take me some really nice snaps. Lalo na mga food photography doon. Talagang excellent na makuha mo dito. So, if you're interested to know more about the phone na ito, ang Vivo V50, na talagang ang ganda ng kanyang camera, follow me for more sa aking YouTube channel dahil na-upload ko na ang aking full review nito phone na ito. So, catch me there.